Hey, this is Jason Moss of the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance, and we're continuing our series for hot topics for our educational series inside of GMA, and we have lined up a phenomenal panel of speakers that are going to be sharing some key information that we're hearing all across the state for employers of any kind, but specifically manufacturers. The topic for this session is going to be employee experience. So what are employees coming on board? What is their experience getting engaged with the company? And also, what are the things that you can do to be able to attract and retain top talent? I'm going to allow these speakers to introduce themselves and tell you why you should be joining us for this event. So I'm going to start out with this Karen Wilcox.
Hi, I'm Karen Wilcox. I'm the Interim Marketing Director at Taylor English Duma. And what I want to talk about during this session is the importance of the employer brand. We're going to talk about how an employer brand can help you have consistent, accurate messaging, how an employer brand can help you identify the traits that you need for employees to be successful. And lastly, we'll also talk about how an employer brand can help you with touch points that are very well crafted during the hiring and onboarding process.
Fantastic. I love it. Great. Thanks. All right, Mr. Mike Otis, tell us who you are, who you work with, and what you're going to be sharing with this group.
Sure. Yes, I'm Mike Otis. I'm an employee benefit consultant with FBMC Benefits Management, and I'm going to cover three topics: how you as employers can realize the full impact of your employee benefits program, the need for comprehensive employee benefits approach, and healthcare consumerism and price transparency tools. And what we're going to learn is how to most effectively utilize your benefits program to attract and keep your top talent.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Great. I'm looking forward to hearing more about that. All right, Mr. Adam Bowling.
Adam Bowling with iSolved. I'm a field sales rep for the Southeast. The three areas I'm going to be focusing on are going to be around first building the workforce of the future, engaging employees in a hybrid model, and then how can employers evolve toward what we're calling full employee empowerment. So the balance between that remote worker and the employee and what we're measuring and how we can establish trust in that hybrid model.
Perfect. All right, and behind the phone icon, Mr. Bo Groover.
Hey everybody, this is Bo Groover. I am the president and coach of the Effective Syndicate. We work with competitive business leaders on helping them do things better, faster, cheaper. I want to speak with you guys about the workplace culture and the data that supports a lot of folks leave organizations because they don't feel plugged in. And culture is a reflection of leadership. So provide you with some tools and approaches for how you diagnose your current state and also some ways to improve it.
Fantastic. But I know you're helping a lot of GMA members across the board in those areas. Randy Brunson is also with Centurion Advisory Group is going to be with us. Wasn't able to join us for the call, but he's going to be sharing some insights as it relates to retirement programs and that sort of thing for manufacturers across the board. Now, can't go without mentioning our Mr. Russ Dunlap. He is our liaison for Taylor English. He's been working with us for quite a while. Although you're not going to be talking on the panel, tell us who you are and what you do, Russ.
Sure. My name is Russ Dunlap. I'm a partner at Taylor English Duma. My practice is intellectual property, specifically patents and trademarks. But I am just happy to be able to host the GMA at this event. I love having GMA members at the office and being able to provide a forum for them to learn new things.
Perfect. Great. Well, guys, as you can see, this is a phenomenal speaker panel. It's going to be May the 10th at Taylor English. All the information and registration is online. We'd encourage you to go online right now and register at Georgia Manufacturing Alliance at upcoming events. With that being said, feel free to make sure that you're registered. But if any of the topics that we've mentioned that are going to be covered in this session impact other employees in your organization, be sure that you pass this along. Make sure to get it to your HR director. Make sure you get it to the rest of the leadership team inside of your organization. And the more the merrier. We'd encourage you guys to come join us. We are going to be doing a Chick-fil-A box lunch. It's not all about the food. It's about the knowledge and the networking. So I'd encourage you to go online right now and register at GeorgiaManufacturingAlliance.com. We'll look forward to seeing you there.